Here is how to use the SafePal Wallet app on Android step by step. First, go to the Google Play Store, search for SafePal, and install the official app. Once installed, open the app and tap Create Wallet if you're new, or Import Wallet if you already have one. If you're creating a new wallet, write down your 12 or 24 word recovery phrase and store it safely and offline. This is the only way you recover your funds. Set a strong password and security PIN to complete setup. Now your wallet is ready. You'll now see your multi-chain dashboard with support for Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB Chain, Solana, Arbitrum, and more. To receive crypto, tap Receive. Choose the token and chain. Then copy your address or scan the QR code. To send crypto, tap Send. Enter the recipient's address. Select the amount and confirm the transaction. You can also access dApps, DeFi platforms, and NFT marketplaces by tapping the dApp browser icon. And if you own the SafePal hardware wallet, you can link it with the app for cold storage and extra security. And that's how you use the SafePal wallet on Android. Simple, secure, and packed with features for DeFi, NFTs, and crypto management. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.